method. Okay students, first we will learn this one. So how to find the LCM? Students have the two numbers 12 and 30, and we have to find out the highest common factors between the 12 and 30. Okay, so first we have to take out the factors. Okay, then also have to make us to take out the factors, a vertical method and one horizontal method. Okay, first we will see the vertical method. Okay, in the vertical method 12, both we will see together. Okay, now students see here 12. Okay, with 12 which numbers came? Students go smaller numbers to biggest number. First see here 2, here table 2 came 12, yes, so divided by 2. Okay, 2 6 are 12, so which number will come here? 6. Okay, you underline. Now number 6. Okay, number 6 come in table 2, yes, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now 3 in which numbers in which tables come? So table 3, so like this, 3 ones are, make it divided, 3 divided 3, 3 ones are 3. Okay, so this 3 here will come and you will present here. Okay, now students check your this factor is correct or not. How will check? 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. This our factor is correct. Every time check this time. Okay, now this is the vertical method. Now we see the horizontal method. Okay, same factor it will come but method is different. Which one is easy for you student? Use that method. Okay, now 12. Okay, first choose a small number. Table 2 came 12, yes. Now 2 6 are 12. Okay, this 12 write like this only. Okay, same will come, multiply. Now 6 means what? 2 3s are 6. Okay, again students no need to write 1. Okay, check your factor is correct or not. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. This factor also is correct. Now we students take out the factors of 12. Now we take out the 30. Okay, same vertical first. Okay, students use only one method. Only by one method you have to take out the factors. No need to use both methods. Okay, now 30. Okay, in tables 12, 130, yes, because unit place has a 0. When you divide it by 2, when last number this unit place have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That time you will divide it by 2. When you divide it by 3, when the numbers of the sum of the numbers, okay, the totals will come. That numbers will come in a table 3. That times you will divide it by 3. Okay, and 5 when unit place have, okay, unit place have the 0 and 5. Okay, so this time we will see. Now table 2. Check student. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 1. 2 5s are 10. So how much? 15. Okay, 2 here is 15. Okay student. Now 2 in the table 2. 15 is come? No. So 3, yes. So we will divide it by 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. And 5 come table 2? No. 3? No. 4? No. 5, yes. So 5 ones are 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5. Now when last number comes 1, this our factor is done. Okay, finish. Okay, now vertical horizontal Okay. Here 3, here also 3, means 3 also is common factor. Here have 5, 30, but here have no. So we will not take the 5. So what is the common factor? The common factor only 2 and 3. Which is the common factor, students? 2 and 3. So now take out the LCM what will come? Multiply these two numbers. 2 into 3. So what is the 2 3 is 6. So what is the LCM? 6. I hope students you understood LCM. Highest common factor. Which one? 6. We have to multiply. I hope students you understood. Now students we will see. We will solve next one. Which method is easy for you? Use that only. Vertical, otherwise horizontal. Okay. Now we will solve the practice set 12. Question number 1. Which one? 25 and 40. Okay. I will solve by a horizontal method. 25. Okay. In 25 students in which tables came? 5. So 5 is 25. Now 40. First go to small number to biggest number. 2 not, 3 not, 4. Yeah, 2 by 2 numbers. Okay, divided by 2. 2 2 is 4. And this 0 here will come. Is 20. 22 is 40. 2 2 is 4 and this 0. Okay. Now again this 2 first write. This multiply. 2 tens 20, 2 tens 20. Again these 2 write, multiply. Okay students, you understood? Same 2 write here, multiply 2. Multiply 10 means what? 10 means 2 5 is 10. Okay. 5 subfactors will not come, so we will not take out. Now students take out the common factor. Common factor of 25 and 40. So which is the common factor, students? Search. Here have 2, here have no. So which is the common factor? Just only this 5. Okay student. Which is the common factor only 5. This only one numbers. So what is the LCM? Only 5. I hope students you understood. Okay. Because only one number is here. So highest common factor is 5. Now student you will see the next one. Which one? 56 and 32. Now student take out the common factors. Now 56. Okay. First which one? The unit place have the 6. So we will divide it by 2. 2 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 1. This 6 came 16. 2 8 is 16. So 2 into 21. 28. 2 into 28 is 56. Is equal to in a line. Student is also write in a one line. Okay. This 2 right here. Unit is 8 means again you divided by 2 only. Two ones 2. 2 minus 2 0. 8. 2 fours 8 means 14. 2 into 14 is 28. Okay students. Again is equal to 2. This 2 right. Student 14 means what? 2 sevens are 14. Okay. Take up the factor of 32. Okay. Here also unit place 2 means we will divide it by 2. 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2, 1, this 2 will come downside. So 2 6 are 12 means 16. 2 into 16, 32 is equal to here 2 into 16 means 2 8s are 16. Okay, this 2 multiply 2, 8 means 2 4s are 8. 4 means 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 is a trifactor, so it will not come. So now student take out the common factor. What is the common factor? Common factor of 56 and 32. So students, which is the common factor? Find out. Here also 2, here also 2. Means 1 2. Then this 2. Okay, student. Then here 2, here also 2. So what is the student LCM? LCM what will come? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So what is the LCM? HCF for 2 students. What is the highest common factor? 8. I hope students you understood. Now students, we will see next one. Now student, next one. Which one? 40, 60 and 75. Now we will see third one. Okay, first we will see 40. Now student, this one will solve by vertically. Okay. Okay. Unit place is 0 means we will divide it by 2. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 and then 0. Okay. Now 20. 2 10s are 20. 10 also unit place 0 is divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. Okay students, I hope students you understood. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Okay students, check this factor is correct or not. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. If this factor is correct. Now next one 60. Okay, unit place as 0 means we will divide it by 2. Okay, 2 3s are 6 and is 0. Okay, 2 3s are 6 and 0. Again the unit place is 0 means divided by 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 1, 2 5s are 10 means 15. Okay students, so take 15 2s are 30. Now unit place is 0, 2, 2 4 6 8. No, so we will divide it by 3. Check first. 5 plus 1 6 and 6 number in table 3. So we will divide it by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 5s can be used for table family. So 5 1s are 5. I hope students you understood. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we will not divide it by 2. Check for their total. 7 plus 5, how much? 12. Okay, and 12 is in table 3. So we will divide it by 3. Okay, first 3 ones, 3 ones are, sorry, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 7 minus 6, 1 is spiking downside, 15. 3 fives are 15. This how much? Divisor is 25. Okay, 25 is 75. Again check. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 numbers from table 3. No, so we will not take 3 here. Okay, which so 5. We will place is 5, so we will divide it by 5. 5 5s are 25 and 5 ones are 5. Now student take out the common factor. Common. Student take out the common factors. This 2, here also 2, here have no. So we will take 2, no. Okay students. Check first here 2, but here not. So we will not take. So which one? 5. Here is 5. Here also 5. Here also. In these two numbers, 60 and 75 have 3. But if 4th is not have, so we will not take the 3 also. So which is the common factor? 5. So our LCM what students? LCM what will come? 5. What is our highest common factors? 5. I hope students you understood, and next remaining sum you will solve yourself. Okay students? I hope students you understood, and students now we will solve there are two methods, prime factors method and continue division divisions method. Okay, and continue divisions method we will learn with next video. I hope students you understood, and remaining sum you will solve yourself. Okay, thank you.